Thank you for choosing the PureDrop ARBWSP series spin-down sediment water filter. With proper installation and maintenance, this water system will provide clean water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Before we start, carefully read the precautions section of the user manual. Ensure all parts are included in your water system's package and that you have all the necessary tools ready. Installation. The ARBWSP series comes with a 1 1/4 inch male thread. The package includes a set of union connectors with 1 inch male NPT and 3/4 inch female NPT threads. Place the seal O-rings inside the union connectors and install them onto the system. If you have a different size fitting, an additional converter may be needed. Step 1. Turn off the main water supply and open the nearest faucet to drain any remaining water from the pipe and release any accumulated pressure. Step 2. Choose a suitable location for the filter. Measure and cut the water inlet pipe accordingly. Use a bucket to catch any residual water that might spill from the pipe. Step 3. Connect the filter to the pipeline using your chosen connectors and method. Ensure the directional arrow on the machine head matches the water flow in the pipeline. Step 4. Install the mounting bracket on the wall, then hang the system on it. Step 5. Connect the drain tube to the system's drain connector. Install the plastic ball valve on the drain tube and leave the valve open. Attach another tube to the drain valve and direct it towards a drain. If a drain pipe is unavailable, place a container with a capacity of at least 5 gallons to collect wastewater. Step 6. Turn on the main water supply and ensure there are no leaks. System operation. The ARBWSP series has an auto flushing module preset to flush for 15 seconds every 15 days. The flushing frequency and length can be adjusted according to the quality of your source water. Refer to the following instructions to set the auto flushing module manually. Remove the battery cover located on the top of the machine head and install 3 AA batteries. Reinstall the cover. Alternatively, you can connect the power adapter to the power socket if you prefer. Touch the screen once to wake it up. Press the manual flush button to drain for 15 seconds. Press the manual flush button again to cancel the operation. If you have a well water setting, repeat this step every 30 minutes for a total of 4 times. To adjust the auto flushing intervals, touch the screen once to wake it up. Press the set button to enter adjustment mode. Use the plus or minus buttons on the touchscreen to set the flush frequency in days. Press the set button again to adjust the flush runtime. Use the plus or minus buttons to set the flush runtime in seconds. The screen will exit the setup menu after 3 seconds of inactivity and will automatically turn off after 5 seconds of non-use. Maintenance and filter replacement. Step 1. Shut off the main water supply and open the nearest faucet to drain the water from the pipe and release pressure. Step 2. Drain out the water inside the filter by touching the manual flush button on the screen. Step 3. Remove the drain line from the connector and unscrew the drain cover. Remove the filter housing cover. Step 4. Unscrew the filter housing counterclockwise using the included housing wrench. Use a bucket to catch any remaining water from the pipe. Step 5. Remove the filter cartridge from the housing and clean it with a brush and soak it in vinegar. After the filter cartridge is cleaned, reinstall the cartridge to the filter housing. Step 6. Be careful to line up the filter housing with the head machine and turn it clockwise to screw on the housing. Tighten it with a housing wrench. Step 7. Reinstall the filter housing cover, followed by the drain cover. Reinstall drain line to the drain connector. Step 8. Turn on the main water supply. Ensure there are no leaks and that the filter is working properly. Step 9. Touch the screen once to wake it up. Press the manual flush button to drain for 15 seconds. The filter replacement is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you.